Hello, today we are going to learn the MATLAB and its basic commands. So just writing like this, 1 into 1 plus 2 into 3, we get the answer as 7. But to control the hierarchy and the operation of the code, we can do like this also, putting in the bracket 1 plus 2, closing the bracket, and then multiplying by with the 3. So we can get the answer as 9. So you can, in this way, you can control the hierarchy of the system. Now assigning the value, let's suppose x is equals to 8, and you want to multiply with 2 into x. So system already know that the value of x is 8, so we get the value as 16. Okay, so this one more basic command is there, that clc, that clears your command window, and clear all clear all, that clears the workspace. So further going for format long, by this you can get the value long after the decimal points. Okay, like I'm going to assign value x is equals to 22 by 7, 22 by 7. We get the value as up to I think so 15 digits after decimal point. Also taking one more example, format long, x is equals to 213.56. so here you can see it's working. Right, now entering the multiple statements per time, like this, a is equals to 7. Now we know the value of a is equals to 7, right? Then writing the trigonometric function like b is equals b of cos of a, right, and b equals to, sorry, and comma, c equals to, we're taking the hyperbolic function of the cos, right, x of a, right? So you can see we get the answer like this. And now you can also scroll up to again get the to change the values, right? A is equals to 10, right? We get the different values. Okay, then there's one more command, square root, sqrt, of the value, like 64. So we can get the answer as 8. So just learn the commands, that's all, there's nothing more here. And then you can also perform log function also, log of like 42, you can get the answer as 3.737. and you can take also like log base 10, just write simply log 10 of base 42, sorry, of base 10 and log 42, you get the different value, right? So again doing clc, clearing the command window. Now going for one expression that you can learn more efficiently, y is equals to e to the power minus a sin x plus 10 under root of y. So given values are a is equals to 5, x is equals to 2, and y is equals to 8. So just putting the values and doing the expression, y equals to, we always write exponential in the form of exp, right, e to the power minus a, right, into sine of x plus sqrt of y, right, and just putting the commas. We can assign the value as a is equals to 5, as we have mentioned earlier, x is equals to 2, and y is equals to 8. So here is the one thing, undefined function or variable of y. So firstly we can write this, copying this here, pasting here, semicolon, then copying the expression. Now it's showing the answer, right? So where hey, a is 5, x equals to 2, and y is this, right? So we get the answer 2.834, right? So entering a matrix in MATLAB, a equals to, in the bracket you can just put the values 2 3 comma for the next row, 4 5 6 comma 7 8 9 within the bracket. Again there's a problem. Why? Because we have to put here the semicolons, not the commas. So removing this, right, you can get the 3 by 3 matrix size like this. Same as putting the value of B matrix, you can take anything, 12 comma 13 comma 11 semicolon, this time 15 16 17 semicolon again, 18 19 and 2020 closing. You can see the matrix as B, then multiplying the matrix A with B as C equals to A dot into B. Dot is much more important, so remember that thing also. So get the matrix as C. Now if you wish to get a new matrix but having a square of the matrix of A, so here you can do that, A dot power of 2. So by this you can see here the A matrix is totally gets squared, right? And now doing the inversion of the matrix I and V and of A, right? So you get the inversion matrix A. Here is a warning showing that it may be inaccurate. Yeah, I know that thing, because its value is big. So in doing inversion after the points we get some errors here that we call the truncation errors, right? So after that, doing the determinant of A, like det of A, we can get the value as minus 9.516.